Hi friends, I'm CC and welcome to Hobby Hands. In this vlog, we're going to do an unboxing of the Italeri 1/72 scale of the A-6E TRAM Intruder, kit number 1392. Kit was produced in 2017. A bit of history. The A-6E Intruder was introduced in the mid-60s and saw action in a lot of fronts. The A-6E TRAM version had laser target designation systems and allowed it to be more effective to perform all-weather missions. So let's look inside the box and see what's in there. As you can see, I've actually started building this kit, but we'll still have a look through to see what's inside the box. The first thing we'll see is this instruction manual. Has about 6 pages. And as you can see on the first page, you will see the parts list. 2 lots of sprues with grey plastic and one with a clear plastic. Probably has a parts count of about 100. The parts are actually quite nicely molded with recessed panel lines. There was a bit of flash and also some ejector pin marks in some areas. Not too bad though, it can be easily cleaned up. And there's 6 pages worth of building and 2 versions provided for. This first one is the version which saw action in Desert Storm and was used by the Marines. The second version is a Navy version from 1976. Let's look at the parts. Firstly, this is the fuselage and wings. I've already gone through the interior and painted and built the interior. And I've also started to mask the model, so we can start painting pretty soon. So that's the main part of it, which is the fuselage. There's 8, I believe these are bombs. Looks like cluster bombs. There's 8 of them, and I've started painting and it's all white. There you go, there's all 8 of them. We get 2 of these missiles. I believe they're called AGM-88 or HARM missiles. These are the elevators. A fuel tank, external fuel tank. As you can see, the fit is pretty good. These are the engine intakes, and with various parts and pieces like pylons, an antenna. Let's look at the decal sheet. I've cut out bits of the decal sheet already, which was for the instrument panel in the cockpit. The decals are well printed, quite well aligned. There's a fair bit of stencil decals. So there you go, that's what's inside the box. The next video we'll do will be a build video for this model. Hope Hope you like the video. Please subscribe to my channel. Me a like. Hope to see you again. Thank you so much for watching.